A relationship without trust is like a house without any strong foundation. As we all know that it takes time to build a house, and so does trust. It takes time to build trust, and we need to invest time to nurture it as well. Stay tuned for an interesting story and a practical way to build trust. Once, a man and his wife were returning home. They were crossing a lake on a boat. All of a sudden, a huge storm appeared from nowhere, and it looked like a very hopeless situation. The man was strong, but his wife was very much afraid. The man sat over there silently, very calmly, and without any hiccups. But his wife was very scared. She told her husband that this could be the last moment of our life. We can get drowned. We can die in the storm. And the husband wasn't reacting. The wife said, "Are you mad or something? Aren't you afraid? Are you like stone or something?" The husband then removed the sword from his sheath and took it very close to his wife, very close to her neck, almost touching her neck, and asked his wife, "Are you afraid?" The wife was puzzled and she said, "No, I'm not afraid, because the sword is in your hands and I know you love me and I trust you." The husband then said, "This is my answer. I know that God loves me, and the storm is in His hands. So anything that happens right now is going to be according to His will. If we survive, good enough. If we do not survive, that's His will. And I know when things and circumstances are in His hands, nothing can go wrong, because I trust Him." This was the kind and level of trust the man had on God, and his wife had on her husband. In today's date, where can we see such kind of relationship which is based on strong trust? I'll give you an example. There was a wife and a husband. They were married for many years, and the husband was very handsome, good looking, and the wife always felt insecure. She always had this insecure feeling that my husband is so charming, so loving, and so caring and so good looking that he might be having an affair outside with other women. The husband realized that his wife is always feeling insecure, and he always tried to console her by saying that he only loves her and that he's not interested in any other woman. The trust has to be built. You have to say things with faith and conviction to your partner to build trust. When you say things, when you say words, when you say things to your partner with a lot of trust and conviction, with faith and conviction, the trust automatically builds in a relationship. And that helps you to build a strong foundation. Similarly, we also need to build strong trust with God as well. When we trust in Him and we say everything is in your hands, then we surrender to Him in all circumstances without worrying about the outcome. I hope you have liked this video. Please press the like button. Share it with your family and friends. If you have any comments, please do comment on this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm Sheetal Khurana. I'm a spiritual speaker. I organize spiritual retreats and spiritual tours. I'm the author of the book called The Gita Happiness Retreat. Discover 40 life learning lessons from the Bhagavad Gita. I'm also a motivational speaker. So in case if you want to get in touch with me, please feel free to give me a call on this number +91 937 10 93246. And I would sincerely like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.